So what's going on, guys? We're back here again today for another installment in our Project Audi S6 build series. Guys, today is a very exciting day because Project S6 is about to receive a much needed aftermarket modification. That, of course, being exhaust. Certainly a department that's been lacking for quite a while now, so definitely something I've been looking forward to for a very long time, guys. So I'm super fired up. We're gonna head down to the shop here and we'll be sure to check in shortly. Excited, man. Downpipe day. Much needed exhaust upgrade, bro. That's
this is gonna be awesome.
Yeah. I mean, the 4 liter's definitely making some pretty sick power right now.
Oh shit! Oh my god! Okay. Oh my god! Wow! Oh! Oh! Wow!
You know, being stage 3 with the new turbos, but
there she is.
We got to give her the sound that she deserves. That's the biggest thing.
She needs a little noise.
Yeah, dude. Oh, that looks nice.
Yeah, they gave new slip clamps and stuff like that.
Yeah.
Sweet.
Alrighty, guys. Well, I'm gonna leave the master at work here.
We're gonna get her done.
Yeah, dog. So we're gonna go ahead and take it from here, guys. We'll let the master Nick do his work, and we'll be sure to check in with the finished product. Alrighty, guys, so we're back at the shop here. We're gonna take a look here at the Project S6. We've completed our HPA Motorsport 4-liter downpipe install. I'm pretty excited to see how the car sounds. I'm a little underwhelmed, bro.
Yeah.
I was expecting a little bit more kick to it, man.
I was hoping for it.
I mean, yes, obviously these are still fully catted, but you know, with the aftermarket downpipes, it does eliminate those factory front resonators.
Yeah.
So I mean, we're still removing a decent amount of restriction.
We got rid of restriction and put a bigger pipe. We expected more noise, but it just got deeper.
Yeah, I mean, it's an improvement, no doubt. I got to give full credit. It's definitely an improvement of what it was, but I'm still like, I need that aggressive, that really high pronounced like ignition cut. That's kind of what I feel like would really be like the icing on the cake.
The resonator's got to go.
I think we're gonna have to do some more hacking and chopping, guys. But nevertheless, it was a successful install, man. So as always, dude, I really appreciate your help, man.
Absolutely, brother.
I appreciate you being part of the channel, man. So be sure to stick around, guys. So more parts on the way. I'll be sure to see you guys in the next one.
Yes, sir.